Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my corn soak tea. This is the corn soak and it's a food waste being put to good use. So I'm going to put this into a good use. So all you need to do is to remove this gently, and then you come close to the silk, the corn silk. Yeah. Now I'm going to cut the edges away because it has been exposed, and then I'll try and remove the corn silk gently. Yeah. If you get the fresh ones, it doesn't really matter. Yes, the fresh one can do. You only dry it for some few minutes and then you can use it. So again, I'm cutting off the exposed one. Again, we are preparing corn silk tea, and so this is our corn silk. And if you get it, you remove this part because it has been exposed. And I can also show you how I store it when it's in season. So I just put it in the freezer. I put it in the freezer and then it's there. When I need it, then I'll go take it. So this has been in the fridge for almost 2 months now, and that is it. So with one ingredient, we are going to make a tea that will be very good for bladder infections, heart issues, high blood pressure, and what you always wanted, weight loss. So all we need to do is to boil some water, and so my water is on fire in the pot already. So this is my corn soak that I've washed well, and I'm going to put it into 1 cup of boiling water and cover for 10 minutes. So I've let it sit for a few minutes, for about 5 minutes, and now I will have to strain, and it's ready to be sipped. So after letting it sit for 5 minutes, it is ready to be sipped. So let's enjoy our corn soak tea. very, very good, refreshing. And where are the weight losers, those who want to lose weight? Come, this is your drink. Take it early morning, 1 glass on an empty stomach, and 1 glass before you go to bed, and you are good to go. So, lovelies, we thank you for watching, and thank you for always returning to watch our videos. Please like and share our videos. Until we see you in our next video, please stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.